All right, guys, start by adding the flour, a bit of baking powder, and salt. Whisk until evenly combined, then set it aside and move on to the wet ingredients. Add the sugar, followed by lemon zest, reserving about a teaspoon for the glaze. And for a stronger lemon flavor, press the zest into the sugar. Now add the milk, some oil, and lemon extract. Whisk until well combined. Pour the wet mixture into the dry. And mix until just combined. Transfer the batter to a piping bag, leaving at least 3 inches at the top so you can twist it closed. Push the batter toward the tip and twist it closed. And secure it with an elastic band for easier piping. Snip off the tip. Pipe the batter into 2 greased 6-well donut trays, filling each about 2/3 full. Bake at 350 for 12 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out clean. Let the donuts cool in the pan for 5 minutes. Then invert onto a wire rack to cool completely. If the holes have closed, you can trim them or gently push the base of a piping tip through each one. For the glaze, start by sifting the powdered sugar. Add a few tablespoons of lemon juice and the reserved zest. Then whisk until smooth. Dip the cooled donuts into the glaze. And return them to the wire rack. Let them sit until the glaze is set. And just like that, you've got soft, fluffy lemon donuts bursting with bright citrus flavor. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.